Hello friends, welcome to ifoodspot. You're gonna see how to make carrot milk. It's really easy, so let's get to the ingredients. Pour milk. Then add carrot that's peeled and cut into small pieces. Add cardamoms and cloves and cook it till the carrots are soft. Carrot pieces have cooked through. Transfer the carrot pieces and spices to a blender. Pour a small quantity of milk that was used to cook the carrot and blend it till you get a creamy paste. Add jaggery. You may also use sugar or milkmaid to suit your taste. Add the remaining portion of the milk and blend again. To get a smooth texture, pour the prepared carrot milk through a fine sieve and finely refrigerate it. And now, carrot milk is ready to serve. You can decorate your serving glasses with any fruit syrup if you have. Also, add any chopped nuts available. I have used cashew nuts. Do try it and let me know. Please subscribe and follow me on Instagram and Facebook.